Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhian Kristina. If you don't know me, please don't forget to subscribe down below and also follow my Instagram, which is Kristina Rhi, and my Depop is Rhian Kristina. So don't forget to follow that as well. Today guys, I'll be cooking like a little sun. Today guys, I'll be cooking chicken Keiv with mashed potatoes, and cauliflower cheese and green beans, but yeah, and also like a parsley gravy or sauce with that. So yeah, I'm gonna get started, and first we need to, like, you know, prep ourselves first before we cook. Like, change in 1 second. So guys, I have my own apron, which is funny, but yeah, my sister got me this. It's called RK. I'm gonna get into this. This is a quick and easy meal, so I'm gonna cook like ready kind of milled like chicken Keiv, because it's already prepped already. I'll be cooking the vegetables and first, which is the potatoes and the cauliflower. I've got my vegetables, so what I do is leaving the skin on, like when I make my potatoes, because I feel like it's for health reasons. I think it's healthier to put potatoes, and plus it's more texture. I like the texture when potatoes are like got skin on, and yeah. So I'm gonna put that much in. I'm gonna wash it and then cut them basically. Essentially I just washed them, so I'm just gonna let them dry. I know it's hard work, but like this is how you take off the dirt out of the potatoes. I know I'm extra, but I like being extra. That's part of my cooking skills, I guess. But that's what's the good quality. That's the quality of me cooking. Because I give like my all into this cooking. I pat them dry because you just see the dirt, or just dry it because initially just actually turn on the boiling water now, and I'm gonna actually cut the potatoes. I actually cut the strips actually, so you know the bad parts I just cut out. You know, I'm extra, as I said, you know, I'm an extra person. I don't like no bad bits in my food, period. But yeah, so then I do that, just cut that, just cut into small pieces, because it will, you're gonna mash them up anyway in true forms as much as possible. Like what I've been taught is to cut them like in equal shape, but at the moment, because it's home cooking, so it don't really matter. But yeah, just cut them in the same shape. Really, that I'll do that. I'm gonna put them all in there. I'll put some salt as well on top of that. Just to keep it flowing. Like that, you just keep coming for time. We've just got 2 more left. Oh, that's a lot. I didn't. Jesus, that's a lot. It's a lot of thing anyway, so it's gonna be for takeaway if anyone. If we added that, I'm gonna add the salt. So just sprinkle the salt in there. Mix it more in. It's still gonna boil, so basically I put that in a low medium heat now. So I'm gonna actually put the garlic and herb Keiv from Asda, this one. So, and I'm cheating, but you gotta do it for time. But yeah, I'm gonna put this paste in a baking tray. So basically my camera didn't work, so I'm gonna use my phone. The olive oil into here, so I can put I prepped the chicken Keiv, so it's gonna go all in there now. Once I do that, I'm gonna add another drizzle, just a smidge of drizzle, because you know what is, I do that because to make it crispy. And I put that in the oven. This is what I put in the oven, like that. Put that on. I'm gonna do the cauliflower cheese. This is gonna be the best part, which is the cauliflower cheese. It's quite amazing. Like that. Basically. Just take that out of the leaves first. Yeah, so I'll wash that. Oh, that looks so small. Yeah, so now we're back to the other camera. So I feel like this is done now, so I'm gonna drain the potatoes. So yeah, I don't want to mash them. Woo. See that steam? Now that's done, like I'm gonna actually put the potatoes in here, this bowl. Oh, that's a lot of potato. Nice. So I'm gonna put milk, probably like a cup of milk. This much butter. Oh, that's a lot. Yeah, we're getting there. It's just okay. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm gonna add some seasoning. I added garlic powder, some that. I'm gonna add some parsley to that and paprika. Let me just chop up some parsley. Take the stalks out. Okay, I'm boiling the potatoes. These potatoes take long to cook, so I'm going to really these. They're putting in the microwave, milk in it. About 5 minutes, so that can cook inside properly. We're gonna do the cauliflower cheese. Now I'm gonna do the cauliflower cheese now. So I'm gonna add my butter basically in. Just gonna melt it. I'm gonna make the cheese sauce first. Yeah, so I'm melting the butter. Now I'm gonna add the flour in. Use the whisk to dissolve the. I like it a bit more. Now just mix that in and add the milk. Cheese. That makes like a really thick sauce. I want the sauce to be thicker. Season the thing. So I'm gonna add maybe some pepper, some garlic salt, some salt. Stiff salt. So I did some nutmeg to that, and then after add some cheese, majority of this cheese. It's a lot of cheese, and then red Leicester cheese. Done. I'm gonna add the cauliflower in. Basically put that all in there. Right. Add some pepper to that bitch. Boiling the cauliflower. I'm gonna put basically the beans, because I forgot to put the beans in. So the beans, actually the easiest way to cut them is just go that. It's only a few of them anyway. It's just because it's a lot already, so I'd rather cook the vegetables like. You can see my battery died, so I'm gonna now plate everything up. So this is very much hot. So the potatoes go first. So These are potatoes. It's like creamy. Green beans, all that. In the middle. Cauliflower cheese, guys. So this is basically what I'm gonna eat. So let's do a taste test. Let's see, fork and knife. Try. Let's see how it tastes. Get a bit of everything. That shit is busting right there. That shit hit. 10 out of 10. But yeah guys, this was Chef Rhi. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you later.